Okay, Ethan, you're just over 6 months. The doctor said it's time. You're about to have your first solid food. And your daddy, who's the chef of the house, of course, is going to be the one to give it to you. Are you ready? Are you ready to have texture? You look a little worried. You look a little worried. Okay. All right, it's time, Dad. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what you think. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Ethan.
You're a real baby pushing it away. You're mommy's boy. What's that? What do you think? That's so weird, isn't it?
It's different, huh?
Did you swallow it? One more. Let's try one more. Oh, you are your mommy's son.
Go and get it in there. Get it in there.
Happy 6-month birthday!